Good morning, boys and girls. It's time for Number Corner. So let's take a look at our calendar. You will notice that the month has changed. We are now in the month of April. April has a capital A at the beginning because it's the name of a month. April is spelled capital A, P-R-I-L, April. Today is Thursday, April 1st, 2021. Now, if you take a look at the shape on our calendar card, you will see that it's a square, right? We also know this to be a quadrilateral from the last time we studied our shapes. So let's start out by writing our date, 4-1, because April is the fourth month. January, February, March, April. So we write a 4 and then -1, okay? Our figure is a quadrilateral. And what we're going to be doing with our shapes is we are going to be studying how many folds we can do on our shape. We're going to see if there are 0 folds, exactly 2 folds, or exactly 4. So we're talking about equal parts. So we'll fold our shape and we'll see how many equal parts that we can get. Then we'll talk about, is the shape, when we fold it, like, is the shape symmetrical, right? Is it the same on one side as the other side? So let's try to fold our square or our quadrilateral. And let's see how many equal parts we get with our square. Okay, so we can take our square and we can fold our square in half this way, right? We call this the hot dog way. Okay, we can fold it down, so there's one way, right? Okay, so we had 2 equal parts. This part is the same as this part, okay? We also can fold the long way like this, right? So this side is the same as this side, okay? We can also fold into, let's see, we did this way, and then we can fold it again this way. And now we have 4 equal parts, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can fold it down and over, or you can fold it over and then down. And when you open it up, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts. They're all the same size. So then we can just check, we'll put a little X, that our quadrilateral folds into at least 4 equal parts, okay? And is it symmetrical? Yes. It's symmetrical because it's the same on both sides. This side is the same as this side, or this side is the same as this side, right? They're all the same. So if we were to cut this in half, the top would be the same size and shape as the bottom. All right, so let's kind of hop over here. Let's color in another day of school. All right, so now that we can see that we have 100, 10, 20, 25, plus 1 more is 126. We've been in school for 126 days, and we're going to really concentrate on writing the expanded form of this number during the month of April, which we did a little bit in March. So 126, if we expand that or stretch that out, that means we have a 100, okay, our 100, plus our 10s. We have 2 10s, right? So 20 plus our 1s, 6. Okay, that's called the expanded form. 100 plus 20 plus 6 equals 126. Okay, one group of 100, two groups of 10, and 6 ones. Today's date, April, and we abbreviate April with APR. April 1st, 2021. So our digital date would be 4-1-21. And then what we're actually going to collect in the month of April is popsicle sticks. And so I have a container of our little popsicle sticks, and I have a spinner. This is our 3, 4, 5 spinner. Okay, take a look at the spinner. Make some observations. There's a 5 at the top and a 5 at the bottom, a 3 and a 3, and a 4 and a 4. So 2 3s, 2 4s, and 2 5s. When we spin our spinner, that's going to tell us how many popsicle sticks we'll collect for that day, and then we will also tally them, okay? Since today is the last day of this week, and it's April 1st today, we will do this today and then next week, and that will all count as week 1, because we don't have school on Monday anyway, so it works out to make a full week. So let's spin, and you can see it landed on a 3. So then I will take 3 popsicle sticks, 1, 2, 3. I will put them in week 1, and then I will tally what I have so far. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3 popsicles so far, and we will keep adding to our tally sheet. All right, and that's everything for Number Corner.